Welcome to a journey inside one of the world's most breathtaking luxury homes. This residence is more than just architecture. It's a masterpiece that combines elegance, innovation, and timeless beauty. From the moment you see its silhouette, you realize this is not just a house. It's a vision of modern luxury brought to life. Every corner has been designed to inspire awe. The play of natural light through expansive glass walls, the harmony of textures, and the balance between open spaces and intimate corners create an atmosphere that feels both grand and welcoming. It's a space where design meets lifestyle, where art meets comfort. Here, luxury is not about excess, it's about details, the refined finishes, the carefully chosen materials, and the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Invite you to imagine what life could be like within these walls. This home speaks the universal language of dreams, elegance, serenity, and pure inspiration. If you've ever envisioned living in a home that reflects your aspirations, this is it. And today, you're not just watching a tour, you're experiencing a dream. Don't forget to subscribe to Dreamhome's tour_luxury design for more breathtaking journeys into the world's most extraordinary homes. Like, share, and leave a comment telling us what your dream home would look like. Your next inspiration could be just one video away.